Hi, my name is Leslie Nguyen. I'm the founder of Miss Mini Donuts, and I make sweet treats. So Miss Mini Donuts, we are here based in Newport Beach. We make small, little, tiny, teeny, tiny donuts. And the reason for the small donuts is because when I eat, I like to eat a variety of flavor, and I don't want to commit to one whole big donut. All of our dry ingredients get mixed in with water, and then after it's mixed, then it gets put into a what they call a hopper, and that gets put into a machine, and then they plop out, and they go in this little, almost like a conveyor belt, and the machine automates and flips the donuts on its own, and then they are ready to be frosted. Water is the binding ingredient. It is the most essential part of the baking because it binds all the dry ingredients together. So that actually creates the batter. Water also creates the frosting. When you mix the water with that powdered sugar, that's what creates the frosting. So water is very essential in the baking. There would be no donuts without water. A day without water for a business is detrimental. Water is very essential for our business and for life in general. I mean, we are so lucky here in Orange County to have running clean water. That is a luxury that not everyone in the world gets to have. As a business owner, I'm so grateful to know that I have clean running water every day.